Okay guys, so we're actually staked outside of Wendy's right now. This is actually gonna be my first ever like hamburger from a fast food place. First ever,
He's never had one before.
I've never had one. Thank you.
Fat and delicious.
Okay,
Yay!
what was your... I've waited my whole life for this. 3, 2, 1. All right guys, in order to earn that Whopper, we need to smash chest and try. I'm at the apartment with Goody here.
Yo, what up?
I don't know, we matched, we're twinning fits. Unintentional, but it's sty. So quick chest and try workout, then we're gonna eat that Whopper. Let's hit it.
Goody on the cam.
One more for all y'all and Goody and everyone he loves. Goody's turn. Butter.
Yep.
It hurts. Oh. I really don't know how to pose all that well, but there's a posing check-in. I'm trying to get leaner. As we said, Goody wants me to eat crumble and pizza, but we've been staying strong. So back to the workout, and then soon, the Whopper. All right guys, I know you want to see me muck down on the scrumptious Whopper, but we're almost done with the workout. If you're wondering what we did incline Smith machine bench press, flat Smith machine bench press, cable chest flies, and then we're doing the cable push downs and the overhead cable extensions. I'll show you a couple more clips, and then we're gonna muck the burger, guys. Let's get after it. All right, this is the flat Smith machine bench press. Ugh. Come on! 3 more. 3 more. 1, 2. 1 more for the Whopper. That's for the Whopper, baby. And for Carissa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There she is watching. Good job.
Thank you. Yo,
If you're under the age of 18, turn the camera off. This is about to be very graphic and explicit. Preset. Yep.
Look at those yitties. Come on. Nice. One more. Nice. Wow. Do the boob thing where you push your boobs together.
Good, you want to put your fingers in it?
Do it, do it.
Oh shit. What the f?
Wait,
That looks weird.
it looks slightly wrong.
Did you fancy it?
I don't know what that means.
I think you did. Look at him, he's all excited.
Cut the cam!
Yeah.
Right. Oh, sorry people. That just came in.
What? Oh, I didn't know you could enter from there.
Goody, come next. Take your pants off, your shirt off.
That's just the rate.
There's more people coming. I'm putting my shirt on. He can keep his off.
Why, because you're illegal?
It's just Fox!
It's Fox.
They don't want to see this. They don't want to see
They literally don't.
Wait, mirror?
Things come back on.
Wow. Wow. It's good for now.
Okay, it's good for now.
No. Turn sideways towards Goody. Yeah, right there.
That's all on me.
Now do other things with your back. Like, yeah. Oh, okay. He's wearing a bra. You guys like his tank top?
I'm gonna do the worm after this.
What? Yep. Okay.
Would it be dangerous to attempt a backflip? Like, I feel like I could do it.
No, don't do that. GP. You don't know how to, no! Stop, you don't know how to do a backflip.
Okay, scratch the backflip in here. In about 1 minute, I'll do a backflip into the pool. That's the deal, okay? Deal. Yo, Murph is looking huge. Backflip time. 3, 2, 1. Backflip time.
All right.
As promised, the backflip. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then let's assume I didn't die, but I have no formal gymnastics training. When I nail this backflip, don't say, he must have gymnastics training. Boys, you can verify that, right?
No gymnastics.
And look, there is a lip here, so it makes it much more dangerous. Can you see? Look, Chris, a concrete lip.
Oh my gosh.
So watch, ready? On the count of 3, I'm doing the backflip into this water. It's actually in the 50 degrees in Tampa today too, so not good. But boys, 3, 2.
Oh my god. Woo! Woo!
That was solid.
Get in the hot tub. He's crazy. Who's next? Who's next?
Fox, yeah, he's
Fox? Yeah, Fox?
Ryan goes and then I'll go.
Okay, Ryan, if you do it, he does it. No way. He's actually cheating. He's gonna do it.
Don't look. Let's go ride. Freezing.
And then you guys can all get in the hot tub.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, wait.
This is called when you do a front flip.
Oh! How much is that? Oh! All right, Fox. Now you gotta go now. You have to. But you said if he did it, you would.
I know, maybe later. I have about 30 minutes left of my workout.
All right.
I only got here about a half hour ago.
All right.
I do not think Ryan was going to do it. I was
All right. Get in the hot tub.
No, I reckon it's Whopper time.
But yeah, true.
But then, wait, Chris, is that okay for him going in the hot tub?
Yeah, I think that'd be like such a vibe. Go, 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 go.
Oh. Alright, we're going to turn the jets on.
Oh shit.
Oh no. Oh, it feels so good.
Dude, chilling in a hot tub.
Ready, Krista?
Yeah.
It's Whopper time!
Oh, that was fire. Look at this
show the
beauty.
breakfast.
Wow.
It's fire.
What is it?
You get a protein bagel,
Oh.
3 sausages, 2 eggs, 100 grams of egg whites, and some cheese.
Wow.
It's fire.
JP's gonna be so jealous when he sees that.
Okay guys, so we're actually staked outside of Wendy's right now. And I've just received intel that Wendy's does not have a Whopper. So, I really am a fast food noob. So don't flame me in the comments, but we're gonna verify with them that they don't have the Whopper, and then we're gonna see what the next best thing is. So when we get up to the microphone thingy, we're gonna come back. Okay, we'll keep filming. So I guess let's talk about this. When I used to eat fast food when I was younger, it was always McDonald's. Actually, look, right there.
Oh my gosh.
It was always McDonald's. I always got snack wraps and McChickens. I never got the hamburger. So this is actually gonna be my first ever like hamburger from a fast food place. Ready?
This is crazy.
Thank you, choosing Wendy's. Will you be using your rewards out today?
No thank you.
Order you ready.
So, you guys don't have the Whopper in your inventory, right?
The who?
The Whopper?
No.
Okay, what's like the closest thing that you guys have to the Whopper?
Number 1.
The number 1? Is that like the Dave's double?
Yes, I got double single and triple.
The triple. Is the Baconator better?
Both on good.
Which one would you recommend? Which one has more protein, do you think?
Number 1.
All right, thank you. So could I do a triple number 1, please?
Would you like to make a large?
What is it?
Oh, actually, I don't want the meal deal. Could I just have the sandwich?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So a triple protein sandwich, just the sandwich.
Okay.
All right,
Is everything on it? 9:45.
yeah, everything on it. Thank you so much.
All
All
right.
right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so we didn't get the Whopper, but we got the triple Dave's. So, guys, I think it's close enough.
Pretty good.
My first ever hamburger from a fast food
It's
place.
exciting. You're
right.
supposed to pay here?
I'm nervous to film here.
Okay.
Yeah. If you don't mind, my first ever.
He's never had one before.
I've never had one.
It's good. Delicious.
It is? Okay.
Do you mind if we film a little bit?
Film who, me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you rate it? Can you rate it for us? 1 out of 10?
What do you think? He's like, he's
Did you film it?
nervous.
Film it.
I am filming.
Oh, 1 to 10, how good is it? I've never had it.
It's 10.
10.
A 10! Okay.
I'm excited. Do I have to pay now?
Yay!
My face.
What's your name? You're so
I need
funny.
to see my face.
Sorry, my eyesight is so bad.
Can you
I
tap?
can't
Does
see.
it have tap?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're tapping the car, and that means we're gonna pay for this and then we're gonna eat it.
Yep, that's what it means. What's her name?
See, look, they do have hamburgers.
Old fashioned. Where did the sign
Thank
go?
you.
What?
Okay, I pull over here.
Where is the sign?
Alright, thank you. Alright, they told us to pull up over here. Is this it?
Okay. Whoa, that sounds good.
Wait, why am I pulling up right here?
I don't know. Oh, then maybe they come out that door. No, stop.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe you could go around the building and they give it to you there. Remember, used to people.
Guys, it's like, what is this big thing? Everyone's like, I would, what is this? It's like, what are you talking about right now? But like, it's like, I've never had this before. So like, you know,
Exciting.
it's pretty exciting. I'm pretty hype. I reckon this is gonna be a pretty protein dense meal. So I mean,
You got a triple.
and Wendy's is supposed to be never frozen meats.
I mean,
So that's a plus.
come on. You really.
I believe it.
Wait, do you think we pull up around here?
I don't know.
Because why wouldn't we? I think there might be a window, maybe, because I see people here sometimes. Is that no? I don't know. That doesn't look too promising.
Did I go to the wrong window?
No, I don't know.
I suck at this.
Well, she didn't really clarify. I wanted to get her name, but I felt bad because I asked and she didn't say anything, but I couldn't read her tag. So maybe we'll see then.
Hopefully she comes out.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yo, so did you guys like the back on the chest and try day?
Okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Yay! Woo!
Thank you.
And delicious.
Okay,
Yay!
what was your name again?
Rita.
Rita.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're the best.
Woo!
So cute.
Woo!
You told me to stay here all day.
Yo, this thing is heavy.
I literally feel. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is.
For $9, it better be heavy. Oh, boy. Oh, we're pulling up right there. We're parking. I have gone my whole life without ever having a fast food burger. So what better than the Dave's Triple from Wendy's? Look, oh!
Oh
Yo,
my gosh.
this
Wait,
is
hold on.
absurd.
Get it out of-
This is absurd. Well, there's a guy over there looking at me, but it's okay. Look at that guy.
Oh yeah. He's probably like, what is going on?
Guys,
Ready?
this is crazy.
Wow.
My first fast food burger, there's like 3 pounds of meat in this thing. Holy smokes.
Oh my gosh.
It's going down the hatch. I've waited my whole life for this. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh. Wait, get out of the sun because you can't really see. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
What does it taste like? No words. Oh my gosh. That looks so good.
Guys. That is really good. I can't even lie. Chris has got to try this.
Oh no. I don't think I've ever had one of these either.
Oh, you gotta take it out of my hand?
Oh yeah. I've never had one either. I'm scared.
That's bigger than your head.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I get why people are obsessed. Stop!
This is truly an amazing, magical moment. Look at all that meat. That is a lot of protein. Oh, that's hot. I definitely don't recommend eating this every day, but I do recommend getting one of these in your system every now and then, because that is money.
That was really good. Better than I thought.
All right. to recap, that was a sick chest and try day. Goody's belly flop was electric. The pool was freezing. Rita is the GOAT. And this hamburger absolutely slaps. That right there is scrum-diddly dumptious. Thank you guys for hanging with me. You know I love you so much. More videos to come. Hit the comments. Let me know what you think I should be doing. Love y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your life. Peace. For now. Till next time.